Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.8.11 and we are going to edit Quotas 2. So users have complained that the 7-day default grace period for soft limit is too short. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab your task is to increase the block and file grace period for users from 7 to 30 days. Generate a quota report to confirm the changes. All right, so that is all we need to do in this lab. I guess we'll go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, in case you find this video to be helpful, at the end of this video you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also, consider liking and subscribing to the channel and load. Alright, so this lab has loaded. Let's go ahead and open terminal. Okay, so we type in ed quota and space dash u space dash t and then you press enter and then use Ctrl X to open up this window. Grace period for enforcing this is gonna be, so we have to change this from 7 days to 30 days. So we're gonna edit this to 30. I'm gonna edit this to 30 days and then let's see. We're gonna edit this to 30 days also. Okay, is there any other thing? So yeah, that is all we need to do here. So let's go back to this window and then type in rep quota -8, then you press enter. We'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video. Remember, you're going to make use of Ctrl X to exit the editor. Don't forget that. Ctrl S to exit the editor and press the Y key to save your changes and then press enter. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.